Today you will see the new Audi Q8 e-tron in a stunning deep sapphire blue, a premium electric SUV that feels like it has come straight from the year 2050. If you want more futuristic car reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go! From the front view, the Q8 e-tron strikes with its illuminated octagonal grille and glowing Audi rings at the center. Ultra-sharp matrix LED headlights look like the focused eyes of a machine from the future. The sapphire blue paint reflects light like polished crystal, emphasizing aerodynamic lines that combine elegance and power. The rear view is equally futuristic. A single LED strip flows across the tailgate, creating a seamless glow. A sculpted bumper and diffuser underline its premium sporty style. Even when standing still, it radiates speed. From the side profile, the SUV shows its coupe-inspired roofline, strong wheel arches, and futuristic alloys that look like spinning turbines. The sapphire body gives the impression of liquid metal, turning the Q8 into a piece of rolling sculpture. Inside the interior, you step into a futuristic lounge. The cabin blends Bentley-level luxury with cutting-edge tech, panoramic displays, ambient sapphire lighting, and a holographic digital dashboard. Premium leather and carbon details wrap around you, while the glowing Audi emblem on the steering wheel adds a touch of exclusivity. Looking under the hood, the car hides its dual-motor electric powertrain, silent yet powerful. A next-generation battery ensures long range and quick acceleration, while futuristic cooling keeps performance stable. Even the engine bay looks like a work of art. In the full perspective view, everything comes together. Futuristic styling, sapphire elegance, and luxury that feels timeless. The Q8 e-tron isn't just another SUV, it's Audi's vision of the future. That was the review of the Audi Q8 e-tron. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more futuristic reviews because this is only the beginning of tomorrow's cars.